Hey there! Today we will learn more about affiliate marketing and how to create content that converts. In affiliate marketing, creating high-quality content is crucial to converting potential customers into buyers. Your content needs to be informative, engaging, and persuasive enough to convince people to take action and make a purchase through your affiliate link. Here are some tips for creating content that converts. First of all, you need to know your audience. Before creating any content, it's important to know who your target audience is. This will help you tailor your content to their needs and interests. Research your audience's demographics, interests, and pain points so you can create content that resonates with them. Secondly, provide value. Your content should provide value to your audience. This could be through providing helpful tips, advice, or solving a problem they may be facing. By providing value, your audience will see you as a credible source of information and be more likely to trust your recommendations. It is very important to use visual aids. People are more likely to engage with and remember content that includes visuals. Use images, videos, infographics, and other visual aids to break up text and make your content more engaging. Always be authentic. Your content should be genuine and authentic, and not come across as overly salesy or pushy. Share your personal experiences and opinions, and be honest about any products or services you recommend. Call to action. Always include a clear call to action in your content, encouraging your audience to take the next step, whether that's visiting a product page or making a purchase. Make sure your call to action is clear and prominent, so it's easy for your audience to take action. Now we will discuss about SEO optimization. Use search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to make sure your content ranks well in search engine results. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and optimize your content for readability and shareability. Last but not least, track your results. Keep track of your content's performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use tools like Google Analytics to track page views, click-through rates, and other metrics to see which types of content are resonating with your audience. By following these tips, you can create high-quality content that converts potential customers into buyers and helps you earn more affiliate commissions. Understanding your audience is a critical part of creating effective content for affiliate marketing. Your audience is the group of people who are most likely to be interested in the products or services that you're promoting and who you're trying to convince to take action and make a purchase through your affiliate link. Here are some key factors to consider when trying to understand your audience. Demographics. Start by researching your audience's demographics, such as age, gender, income, location, and education level. This information can help you tailor your content to their specific needs and interests. Interests. Try to understand what your audience is interested in, both in terms of their hobbies and their professional interests. This will help you create content that resonates with them and addresses their needs. Pain points. Identify the pain points or challenges that your audience is facing and create content that provides solutions to these problems. By addressing their pain points, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority and build a relationship with your audience. Communication style. Pay attention to the way your audience communicates and tailors your content to match their communication style. For example, if your audience is primarily millennials, you may want to use a more casual tone and incorporate humor into your content. Buying habits. Understand your audience's buying habits, such as where they shop and what factors influence their purchasing decisions. This can help you create content that speaks to their buying habits and motivates them to take action. By understanding your audience, you can create content that is tailored to their needs and interests, making it more likely that they will engage with your content and ultimately make a purchase through your affiliate link. Creating engaging content is crucial to the success of your affiliate marketing efforts. Engaging content captures the attention of your audience, keeps them interested, and encourages them to take action, such as clicking on your affiliate links or making a purchase. Here are some tips for creating engaging content. First, tell a story. Stories are a powerful way to engage your audience and make a personal connection with them. Use anecdotes and real-life examples to illustrate the benefits of the products or services you're promoting. Second, use attention-grabbing headlines. Your headline is the first thing that people will see, so make it attention-grabbing and relevant to your audience. Use keywords and phrases that your audience is likely to search for, and make sure your headline accurately reflects the content of your post. Remember to keep it concise. People have short attention spans, so keep your content concise and to the point. Use short paragraphs and bullet points to break up text and make it easier to read. Use humor. Humor is a great way to engage your audience and make your content more memorable. Use humor sparingly and appropriately. And make sure it aligns with your brand and target audience. Make it interactive. Encourage your audience to interact with your content by asking questions, running polls, or creating quizzes. This can help to create a sense of community and engagement around your content. By following these tips, you can create engaging content that captures the attention of your audience and encourages them to take action. Remember, the goal of your content is to build a relationship with your audience and ultimately convert them into buyers through your affiliate links. At this moment, let's talk about using call to actions, CTAs, effectively. Call to actions, CTAs, are a crucial component of any affiliate marketing content. CTA encourage your audience to take action, such as clicking on your affiliate link, making a purchase, or signing up for a newsletter. Here are some tips for using CTA effectively. Be clear and specific. Your CTA should clearly and specifically state what action you want your audience to take. Use action-oriented language, such as click here, sign up now, or buy now. Make it stand out. Your CTA should stand out visually from the rest of your content. Use a contrasting color or bold text to make it more noticeable. Place it strategically. Place your CTA in a prominent location within your content, such as at the end of a blog post or in a sidebar on your website. Make sure it's easy to find and can be accessed from any device. Use urgency. Use urgency to encourage your audience to take immediate action. For example, use phrases such as limited time offer or last chance to buy. Offer incentives. Offer incentives, such as a discount or free trial, to encourage your audience to take action. Make sure the incentive is relevant to the product or service you're promoting. Test and refine. Test different CTA to see which ones are most effective in driving conversions. Refine your CTA over time based on your results. Remember, the goal of your CTA is to encourage your audience to take action and make a purchase through your affiliate link. By using clear, specific, and visually appealing CTA, you can increase the chances of your audience taking action and ultimately drive more conversions. To sum up, here are key takeaways from the 3 topics covered in this module on creating content that converts for affiliate marketing. Keyword research is essential to creating effective content that attracts and engages your target audience. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush to find relevant and high-traffic keywords and incorporate them into your content strategically. Understanding your audience is crucial to creating content that resonates with them and motivates them to take action. Consider their demographics, interests, pain points, communication style, and buying habits when creating content. To create engaging content that drives conversions, tell stories, use attention-grabbing headlines. Keep it concise, use visuals, use humor, make it interactive, and provide value. Use clear and specific CTAs that stand out visually, are placed strategically, use urgency, and offer incentives to encourage your audience to take action. By incorporating these strategies into your content creation process, you can create content that is tailored to your audience, engages them, and ultimately drives conversions through your affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to create high-quality content for you. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.